Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this sustain pedals or damper pedals for a keyboard or piano. It is not working and I already checked with another pedal. It is working. For the keyboard is have no problem. So today we're gonna fix this and I'm gonna show you how to test and check whenever this sustain pedal is still working or not. Okay, let's get started. Basically, any damper pedal or sustain pedal have a same mechanism. So basically, inside every pedal or every sustain pedal are only switch to make on and off. So you can test here with the multimeter, and you can choose the diode and continuity test, tip and ground like this, and you can push the pedal. It's supposed to be beeping when it's pushed. Here, we cannot see any beeping or any lights from the multimeter. So, there are two possibilities. It's a broken cable connection or a broken switch inside these pedals. So let's check inside this pedal. Let's open it. So this is the inside of our pedals. This is the spring for a bounce back your pedal, and this is the switch that make the on off of our pedals. So the first step is we need to make sure the jack cable is okay. You can check each end to the connection here, all the soldering here. To open this switch, it is a little bit tricky. It has two clips, left and right here, if you can see. So I'm gonna use this spudger, this thin metal, or you can use any other thin metal to prying up this switch like this. Okay, after you can refill the cables, the first step is we need to check is there any connection from the cable, from the jack into the cables. So I'm gonna test with the same diode and continuity test. We can test this one side first, and we can check to here. And yes, we have no connection from the jack to the cable. So we have a cable problem. Maybe I'm gonna remove this cable also. Okay, now we are gonna check the tip connection. Is there any connection from the tip? Yes, the tip, we have a connection here. But the ground, we don't have any connection. We don't have connection from the ground. So maybe there are a loose cable here for the ground. We need to check. So I already make a simple drawing for the diagram. This is the unit and this is the diagram. Basically, the cable is only have two cables, yellow and red. So the red cable going to here, going to the middle of the switch, and the yellow cable is going to the switch of the polarity in the middle also. These two cables are extension cable, black, and this is also black cable. So the problem is the yellow cable is not connected to the jack. We need to analyze in which area the cable is losing the connection. Most of the case it is from the head here, cable is loose inside here or loose inside this area. Other case are maybe it will loose in the middle of this cable somewhere because of the aging cables or corrosion cables, so the copper will no longer become a conductor. So in that case, maybe you need to replace the whole cables. We're still not having a connection here from the yellow. Okay, we need to release the cable. And maybe I'm gonna try to cut from this section. Okay, I already cut the cables, and let's make a test again with the problem cable, the yellow one. Is it connected to the ground? This jack? Yes, we don't have connection. So my next suspicion is we have a broken cable connection here inside this jack somewhere in this area, or sometimes in the middle. We have a loose connection in the middle because of the aging cables or corrosion inside. The copper is getting oxidation, corrosion, so it will not be a conductor anymore. In that case, maybe you will need replace the whole cables. Okay, we already peel out all the rubber. This is for a learning purpose. I'm gonna show you. This is under our jack, under the rubber. This is red going to the here, and this is the yellow going to the grounding. Okay, let's cutting down this area. Okay. Let's test again. Yellow to the other ends. Okay, we still don't have a connection. Let's try the red one. Red one, we still have a connection, but the yellow one, we don't have a connection. Yeah, in this case, we already checked both ends. We already cut and make a test. We cannot find where's the disconnect cables going on. It's maybe in the middle of the cable here. We don't know. We need another tools to check where is the disconnect cables area. So it is easier for us to just replace the whole cables. And another important part from this pedal is the switch. You need to make a test also from the switch. This is a square switch, unlock or non-lock switch, 8 by 8 millimeter. Here you can test also with a multimeter, diode and continuity test. And you can press, there is no connection also. So the switch is already broken also. I already ordered this switch. There are two types in the market. Please make a notice, there are two types, 8 by 8 millimeters. There are the same shape, same size, but different function. This one is lock. I will show you the differences. This is the lock one. When you press, it will be clicking like that. So this is the lock type, and the other one is this is the no lock or non-lock switch, same 8 by 8 millimeter. This is the one that we need for our pedals. When you press, it will not be clicking. This is the one that we need for our pedals. If you can see the legs, we have 6 legs. Basically it's only 2 connection here and here. So when we test with diode and continuity test like this, it will be beeping, and when we press, it will be stopped. So yeah, you can test this side and this side. Okay, and you can buy this online. There are you can find it in your local electronic store also. This one I got it from AliExpress. You can find it on eBay or Amazon or any other online place. So this for a learning purpose, I ordered 2 types of them. This is lock one, and this is the unlock or no lock version that we need for our pedals. Okay guys, that's it. That's how you test and check your pedals, your sustain pedals or damper pedals. I hope this helps, and thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. Terima kasih, see you again in my next video, and bye bye.